Mistake number 1, not following the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure you know what type of HTV you are using, such as glitter, foil, reflective, etc., as they each have different characteristics and needs. When you have flocked HTV, it won't feel fuzzy until after you pull off the carrier. If you want to reassure yourself that you really do have flocked HTV, peel back a little corner and find the fuzz that's hiding underneath. Mistake number 2, loading HTV upside down. A key difference between adhesive vinyl and HTV is the side of the vinyl that you cut on. Adhesive vinyl is cut from the front, so you load it on your mat with the front facing up. HTV, on the other hand, is cut from the back, so you have to load it with the back facing up. In other words, the clear carrier, the more shiny side, goes down onto the cut mat. The side facing up is the glue side that will eventually be stuck to your fabric. Bonus tip: because we're cutting from the back, we must cut in the mirror image. So when you're designing, always flip your image horizontally before cutting. Mistake number 3, not using a test cut. A test cut is important because there are a variety of factors that play into how the machine cuts the HTV, such as sharpness of the blades and thickness of the mat. Before cutting your project, you should always perform a test cut. It can save you money to calibrate your settings before you cut an entire sheet. Bonus tip: Silhouette makes it easy to perform a test cut by just clicking a button, or draw a quick circle and a square inside of it to test the depth and cleanliness of the cut. Whichever way you choose, use a test cut. Mistake number 4, not applying enough pressure. Pressure is just as important as heat when using HTV. You'll be able to tell if you used enough pressure by looking for the weave of the fabric in your HTV. The HTV should meld into the fabric and take on its pattern. If it didn't, turn up the pressure and press again. Bonus tip: if you don't have a heat press, you may need to be a little creative in getting enough pressure. I like to put a cutting board on the ground and press onto it so that I can use my body weight for pressure. Mistake number 5, hot peeling everything. Pay attention to the peeling instructions. They really do matter. Elastic foil, for example, needs a cold peel treatment. Because this HTV is so stretchy, it can get stretched out of shape if you try to hot peel it. Waiting until the foil HTV is cool to the touch will give you the best results and save you frustration. If you are in a hurry, rub a flat-bottomed glass over the design. You can even add ice to make it go even faster. There may be a benefit to this even beyond speeding up the process. I always like to use a flat-bottomed glass with elastic foil.